Hello and welcome to another ROFFS update of the ocean conditions using chlorophyll imagery, looking at the Gulf of Mexico from the weekend of September 20th, 2025. Overall, the loop current is about 86 to 87 degrees, so we have started to observe some cooling through the area. And then also we have observed the loop current has shed a relatively large clockwise rotating eddy here. So it is relatively far south. It has receded here, only extending north to approximately off of the Keys here. We've observed some associated cleaner loop current water also push north to form essentially the second clockwise rotating eddy here off of the Tampa Bay area to Sarasota to Naples here. This water is relatively far offshore, out past the shelf, but it is cleaner water here. And then overall, just looking at the offshore area off of Western Florida, some good blended blue to blue water here. We have observed a smaller counterclockwise rotating eddy here off of the Tampa Bay to Sarasota area, circulating this cleaner water inshore. That should be good for your tuna, dolphin, wahoo. And then this blended blue water to blue water continues northwest and inshore into the 50, over the middle grounds, and then into 15 to 20 fathoms here off the Cape San Blas area, and then into 30 to 50 fathoms here up along the Destin to east of Pensacola area here. So you're going to want to come out and fish this nice blended water out here. We have off of this formation here then observed a counterclockwise rotation here right along the spur area that also indicates some good water for marlin, along with this cleaner blue water here is out, past 80 fathoms or so is also going to be an excellent chance of marlin there. Looking further to the west, again, we can see this recently separated very large loop current eddy here. Pretty far south again, out along Atwater Valley here to the southwest of Atwater Valley, but some of this associated water then flows inshore right off the delta here into 200 to 300 fathoms, extends north along the Viosca Knoll area, and then rotates offshore just south of the steppe. Looking south of the delta, relatively large offshore flow here, pushing that nice edge pretty far south along 800 fathoms or so. But looking a little bit further west along the Mississippi Canyon area, this water then rebounds inshore and pushes into the Mississippi Canyon area, and then to the west, indicating some favorable conditions here, and then rotates back to the south along the Bullwinkle Rig area. So certainly some good water in here as well. Looking further to the west along the Texas to Louisiana area, we'll look at the kind of the Brownsville, Texas area first. So this nice cleaner clockwise rotating eddy here, just south of the border, but also with some of this associated water then extending north from Brownsville up off of Aransas Pass here, extending to the east off the East Breaks, and then curling around with this large clockwise rotating feature here, in a large, significantly deeper blue eddy core here out southeast of the East Breaks there, indicating some good marlin action. Otherwise, certainly this inshore edge along 30 fathoms will be good for your tuna, dolphin, and wahoo. And then the offshore side of this filament, where it goes from blended blue to blue-green, will also be a good chance for action there, out along 80 to 100 fathoms or so. Looking further to the east, we've observed some of this water then rotate north and inshore right along the good bottom of the Flower Gardens area, which is always good. Good chance to fish out there. And then certainly, we're going to want to avoid essentially these large green offshore flows here, are generally less productive. So, but with that, for the most recent analysis of your area, you can order online at roffs.com. You can email us at fishing@roffs.com, or you can drop us a line at 321-723-5759. Thank you very much. Tight lines.